Hello friends, if your PC is slow, so there are some settings you can apply and then you can get the result. So there are some settings you can apply and then you can get the result. Your PC will be little better in performance. So let's start one by one. The first is you just need to go this PC properties, right click properties, then you will see advanced system settings. You need to click. Then under the advanced tab you will see performance heading, then settings button again. Here you will see 4 settings. Let window choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance, and custom. In custom you can choose your own which setting for the appearance you want to see. So I will prefer out of these 4 you can select first or third. In the first, system will decide what is better to keep the setting, and in the adjust for best performance, it is the maximum performance. System will ignore all these setting, animation, shadows, all these things. So it will help system to focus on other things. Technically it is not focus, mean system performance will move to other things instead of spending time here for these appearance adjustment. So better I will recommend adjust for best performance, then apply, then okay, close. Now you will see when you are opening any window tab, you will see system will be little fast. You can see very easily, very quickly, and then obviously it will affect the performance. Press window button plus R. You will see a box will open with the name run. Here you need to type temp, T-E-M-P. Then press OK. You need to select all, Control A, or you can select by mouse like that also. Better select all. Then press delete. Are you sure you want to move these 73 items to recycle bin? Means system is deleting these items. Actually these are temporary files used by system while running some apps, while performing some operation. So you want to remove? Yes, we will remove. We can some apps, some folders, some files system is still using, so you can skip those. Skip system, do this for all and then skip. System will skip which are currently being used by system. So here this is done. Press window R again. Before we did temp, means T-E-M-P. Now we just need to add percentage mark in start and in end. Then press enter, OK. You will see again here some temporary files used by system. Then we will do the same operation. We will select all. Then we will press delete. So are you sure you want to move these 108 items to the recycle bin? Yes. And system will ask because some apps and some file system is still using, so you can skip those. Skip and do this for all current items. What system is using, you can skip again. Yeah, this is the remaining currently used by system, or it is temporary save system created for future use or whatever, but it will be not more than 5, 7, 10. You can ignore these. Now again you need to press window plus R. Here you need to type PREFETCH. Press enter. Continue. You will see some temporary files here again. You need to do the same operation. Control A. Press delete. Are you sure you want to move these 263 items to the recycle bin? Yes. And system will skip some file that system is currently using. You can skip all those files. Again 2, 3, maybe maximum 5, 7. So keeping the system will decide to keep it or not. Then we can close.